How many of you remember when I did this video? The data boy. This video is for all the Niger deltas and every state surrounding the Igbos. So if you are some part of Benue, Kogi, Edo, Delta, Bayelsa, Akwa Ibom, Cross River, what do they call it? River State. Listen to me. Listen very attentively. I'm saying this, and I'm also using this opportunity to draw hands to all the Igbos. Anu na-ekwulo merụ ọnụ ma na-ekwu na anụlo merụ ntị. I'm saying this. You can keep denying that we are not Igbo. I've seen where father denies son. If he beat your hand, he say, no be my father. But DNA test prove that it's your father. So you can keep denying that you are not Igbo. But we know that you are Igbo. I live in the north. If fight happen here in the north, you will never see an Hausa man say, stop. Are you Delta or you are Imo State? Before they will put knife in your belly. Once they catch you, you come Iwa. You don't waka be that. So in their own eyes, every of these states that I call are Igbo states. If you think I'm lying, come out from Bayelsa and run for presidency. They will do what they do Jonathan. Come out from Anambra and run for presidency. They will do what they do Peter Obi. Even if you come out from Edo, say you want to run for presidency, the same betrayal that the Edo people are facing in Lagos because of Peter Obi presidency is what you still face. They see you as Igbo person. You better listen to me. Igbo people are crying that they are destroying the property. It's getting clear now that it's not only Igbo. If you are from Benue, you know what I'm talking about. Until recently, when the Fulani started killing people in Benue people will always be claiming that they are not part of those that have been marginalized. Today, their eye don't clear. The Doma, the TV, all of them there have their eye don't clear. Some people in Kogi State are facing it right now, small. You are all Igbos. Those as Gwari, Nupe, Baggy people are also being tagged as North or tagged as Fulani and Hausa people. The same way, it is when you come back home, you can be separating, say, I no be Yoruba, I no be Isoko, I no be this one. But as far as I'm concerned, if you come to this boundary, because there are 3 major tribes in Nigeria, you are still tagged as an Igbo person. 2023. I've said it time without numbers. When anything happens in the north, northern people will not stop you and be asking you, are you from Akwa Ibom? Are you from Bayelsa? Are you from Delta? Before they will do, Ikom Iwa. I was saying that some people saying, hey, Delta no people. They don't know people. See them now. Uromi people, the Asian did something, but Igbo people did attack. Igbo people did attack. Ndigbo, now they attack. So when we say these things, some of you think that we don't know what we are talking about. Yes, we know that there are Igbos in Edo State, the Wanke people. We know there are Igbos in Kogi State. We know there are Igbos are in 13 states, not just 5 states. But the truth is that outsider does not even see you as another tribe. All of them, they call no more Igbo. Now the same thing, they call all of us Igbo in the other time. If something happen, one of my babe those days, now from Akwa Ibom, Bekwara, but anytime when you do something, they go say, ah, Nyamiri girl. This is what we are talking about. They see you as an Igbo person. Now Ishan people do something, but all of them, they tag all of us as Igbo. Igbo people blood has been shed to save this country. Every time something happens, every time the snake will leave the kill and be bending neck on the ground. You people will leave the people that commit crime. Igbo people must ever collect it. But do I blame people that are saying that Igbo people do it? No. Ndigbo will be the one in another state and deny they are not Igbo. Why they not go kill you, join people? Why they not go kill you? Thank God that some of us are beginning to see the reason. Look at this post of this man. He says he's 60 years now. He knows that he's Igbo. He's no more denying his Igbo-ness. He's from Eka. Look at that comment. This is what we are talking about. I'm out of here.